Feeling a bit peckish? Our chefs will always put their best foot forward when it comes to fine dining. So plan your meals wisely when visiting the town. Meet the creative chefs who single-handedly put the town of Ljubljana on every foodie's must-visit list with their unique use of locally sourced ingredients from the very best farmers and other local suppliers. From the pioneers of Ljubljana's extraordinary cuisine, keeping the tradition alive, to the great minds of contemporary, never-seen-before combinations of flavors. The culinary future sure seems bright here in Ljubljana. Visit one of the people's favorite eateries and get to know their chef stories and incredible ideas. Let them take you on a journey. Let them spoil you. Treat yourself to an unforgettable meal. Visit Ljubljana.